Welcome to Uncle Jack's Outdoors. Today we're going to take my new NC700X out on our very first moto camping trip. Enjoy the video. Okay, let's talk about this Honda motorcycle. This is a Honda 700cc adventure motorcycle. This is a 2015. I just sold my Harley Sportster, and in my opinion traded up for this. It's liquid cooled. It has almost 70 liters of storage, almost 6 inches of suspension travel. Very reliable machine. Let's take her for a spin. Okay, my initial thoughts, this thing is a torquey motorcycle. It really loves the low RPMs. It's got just a little mix of everything. It's just sort of flirts with a dirt bike. Got a little street bike in it, and a little bit of enduro as well. Guys, the plan is we're going to go back to the house and load this thing up with camping gear. I've got all my cold weather, medium cool weather. It looks beautiful out here, guys, but I'm telling you, it's just about freezing right now. I think the thermometer was 33, so when you get on a motorcycle, that's pretty chilly. Stick around and we'll get this bike loaded down. Alright, I've done what I can do here to put together some lightweight moto camping gear. Having never done this before though, this is a shakedown trial run. We're going to see what happens. So my plan was, pretty amazing actually, how much will fit in here. So in there I've got a sleeping pad, sleeping bag, sleeping quilt, secondary sleeping pad, sleeping pillow. Next round, my 10-liter dry bag. Would be my clothes. This has to fit inside the saddlebag. Okay, I've got my sleeping supplies, tent and tarp, clothing. This is motorcycle gear, rain jacket, cook system, camp towels, and camp gear, everything from soap to toothbrush, toothpaste. These dry bags, 5-liter, 10-liter, 20-liter, I don't know how you can beat them. They're really great. Okay, here's the final setup, or final packed gear. We've got tent and tarp, sleeping systems, clothing, camp gear. I'm tagging along the Smith & Wesson M&P 22 Compact, rain jacket, and a fleece blanket. Alright, I managed to put every bit of that luggage on the bike here, so everything I had showed you guys inside, we've got packed on the bike. It's about 30 miles out to the property we're going to camp at. I'm telling you guys, it looks pretty, but it is cold. It is cold today. I'm just loving the color of this new bike. Absolutely love it. Moto camping at its finest. Let's get the tent and the tarp set up and we'll see you here in a minute. Okay, well, starting to look like a camp. Starting to look like a pretty beautiful day as well here in the great state of Ohio. But let me show you what we got going on for dinner. Corn on the cob, chicken wings. Stay tuned. Alright guys, after about 45 minutes, here we go. Dinner's looking ready to eat.